In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Facebook Marketplace. Best method. Here's the key thing up front. Facebook Marketplace doesn't offer an official PayPal button in its checkout. The platform's built-in options focus on MetaPay and standard debit or credit cards. That means you can't simply select PayPal during checkout the way you might on other sites. But there's a reliable workaround that thousands of buyers and sellers use. You arrange the payment through PayPal outside the Marketplace checkout while keeping your communication inside the Marketplace chat. Start by opening Facebook Marketplace and browsing to the item or service you're interested in. Tap to open the listing details so you can see the full description and photos. At the top of the listing, use the message icon to start a conversation. In that message, let the other person know that you'd like to pay with PayPal outside the Marketplace payment flow. Clear communication is important here. Both parties should agree to it. Politely request the seller's PayPal email address, not a random link. Real PayPal payments are tied to an email or username, so avoid clicking unfamiliar payment links. Once you've written your message, send it and wait for their confirmation. With the PayPal details confirmed in the chat, open PayPal on the web or in the app and log in. Choose Send or Request, then enter the seller's name, username, email, or mobile number exactly as they provided it. Double-check the spelling to avoid misdirected payments. Enter the amount for the item and, if you'd like, add a brief note that identifies the item and that it's from Facebook Marketplace. This helps both sides track the transaction later. When everything looks correct, click Send. A few helpful tips to keep this safe and smooth. Keep all negotiation details in the Marketplace chat so you have a clear record. Never send money to a link that looks odd or asks for extra verification outside PayPal. If you're the buyer, wait for the seller to confirm they've received the funds in PayPal. If you're the seller, don't hand over the item until the payment shows as received in your account. For added buyer protection, avoid using friends and family for purchases. That's it. There's no direct PayPal button inside Facebook Marketplace, but by coordinating in chat and completing the payment through PayPal, you can still use it confidently and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you complete your next Marketplace deal with PayPal smoothly.